Now, there are a whole bunch of other safety points that we cover in other classes, but one of the things that I do need to cover with regards to safety right now is the issue of secure your weapons. They must be locked up. Weapons that are not locked up in your residences have a tendency to grow feet, and unauthorized users tend to take those weapons and do things with them that they shouldn't be doing. In fact, anybody that doesn't belong to that weapon, or that weapon doesn't belong to, shouldn't have their hands on that weapon unless it's under controlled circumstances and you've already, given permission to that person to utilize the firearm. So what I'm saying basically is this: lock your guns up, and if you're going to keep a gun in the house for home defense, it needs to be immediately accessible, because you're not going to have time to go to the safe and figure out the combination when two masked men just burst into your house. So you need to purchase some kind of lockbox that has a quick access mechanism, like a push-button lock, that you can work in the dark so you can get to that loaded handgun really quickly, because you're only going to have a few seconds before they're on you. And of course, when you're carrying a firearm, it needs to be secured, which means if it's open, like mine, it's got a retention strap. And if it's concealed, it doesn't print. You don't want your firearm printing through your shirt such that it screams firearm. Now, the question has come up before. Is it legal to wear a gun where the butt of the gun prints through the shirt, and if I'm made, am I going to be in trouble? And the answer is, there's nothing illegal about covering up a weapon that's legal for you to own and carry, and obviously you don't want to be made. But if you are, you haven't committed any crime, and it's not the end of the world. It's just better to carry concealed in a way where the firearm is tight to your body, so that the cover garment over it covers it and conceals it. And you don't have to be paranoid about it, because if you're walking around and you're always adjusting your gun to make sure that it doesn't bow out, you're going to look like you're walking around with a gun that you're trying to adjust that doesn't bow out. So that's something that you want to not do.